Okay, so today I've got the tiniest ASMR imaginable. So we're going to go ahead and start out with our smallest light and our smallest magnifying glass. So just look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Good. 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 Very nice. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of plucking. Pluck, 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 pluck. And if you don't mind, I'm going to cut off some of those negative strands while I pluck, 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 pluck. Very, very good. Okay, and then we'll do a little bit of very good. We'll bring back our light and then we'll take our teeny tiny tube, place it here. And can you see the light? Can you see the light? Okay, just going to get a little bit closer. Can you follow the light? Follow my teeny tiny light in my teeny tiny tube. Awesome. Great. Thanks for watching.